Ooh, and the girls is back. Hey, my name is Mikara Reid, and today on this video, the topic of discussion we will be talking about how are you taking pride in yourself? Yes, how are you taking pride? I'm not just talking about the exterior of like what you see. I know a lot of people associate a few different words with the word pride, but when I think of pride and just how I just go about taking pride in myself, because it definitely just shows whether you know me, because it's only a hand selection of people who know me, like beyond Makara. I tie respect, worth, and I'm gonna say joy. I'm gonna definitely say joy. Like I really enjoy, the art of getting ready, getting beautiful. I have a joy for my job when I'm helping garment makers or getting someone dressed or pulling the look together. Like there's just certain things that I just really have pride in, and people really see it when they're working with me. They see my capabilities, they see my skill level, they just really see it flourish. And a lot of people really, they only just take pride in what they're doing and not really themselves. And I feel like that's where a lot of boundaries get crossed and blurred and just not respected the way it should be. And it just doesn't show your true pride. So that's why I just asked, like, how are you taking pride in yourself? And I'm not just again, I'm not just talking about, your looks, just your whole overall being. Like, are you happy with what you're doing? This little conversation came about with one of my styling clients because I just go beyond the whole aesthetic, your appearance. I definitely want to meet your appearance with your lifestyle, your confidence. Like that all draws up your whole overall aesthetic. I don't care if you have a t-shirt on and your nails done or a nice haircut. Like if that confidence is not there, that pride is not there, that look will just fall flat. I mean, I've been saying that on my styling podcast. I say that a lot, but it's true. It's definitely true. It's because of the fact that I very much so tie pride in with respect, worth, and just joy. Like I just find joy in that. So back to the conversation that just kind of just drew up, and I was just like, this would be a nice little conversation I wanted to share with you guys on YouTube. Y'all been showing me some love, but it's just very interesting just hearing people's perception on just what's going on with them and just getting people's definition of a certain word. I mean, we can sit up here and go on our phones and just like look up the word pride and all these other words, but what does it really mean to you? Because everyone's perception, everyone's philosophy, and just ways about certain things or events, it definitely differs. It definitely differs. So I definitely want to know, how are you guys taking pride in yourselves? I know for me, I've definitely have a stronger network of people. I mean, I'm working on making a very family-like community. I feel very prideful of that as far as, my mentorship, getting better personally and professionally. I'm taking very much so pride in that due to the fact that the girls is not in their 20s and I'm working towards my legacy. And I'm definitely working towards my 5-year plan. It's now 4 years plan, but yeah, I'm working towards my 5-year plan, my personal 5-year plan. And yeah, building my community, family like, is very important to me. And now that I have that and everyone is just gelling together without even knowing about each other, I just feel really, really good about this. I feel really, really good. I'm on like go mode. I might go MIA. I don't know, but I'm on like total tunnel vision because this Child, it's for another video. But another way that I'm taking pride, I mean, I'm the type of girl that really enjoys getting ready. That's I definitely can say that about myself at being a girly girl. I really enjoy the process of getting ready. I don't care if I'm getting dolled up, if I'm showing up and showing out, and I got me a nice little dress on, I got me my little Louis Vuitton perfume on, and just the face like beats with some luscious lipstick and all of that jazz. Or if it's just a nice settled day, I still like being presentable. It just feels good to me. I am a very sensual type of girl, so enhancing every sense, all of my senses is just that just brings me joy. So I do that each and every day, unless I'm in like an utter rush. But yeah, there's just many little steps that I'm taking to just bring joy to me and just I'm sorry, not bring joy, but just having pride, and it shows. Nothing's really bothering me. I'm at my happy place. And also just creating a mood board and setting up goals, the action plan of how I'm going to get to each of those things on my mood board. So I want to hear from y'all. Definitely leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys are. How are you taking pride in yourselves? Like, what do you take pride in as far as yourself internally and externally? And also, do you have like a mood board for yourself, like things that you want to see, or if you have like a 5-year plan? I definitely want to hear from you guys. So hold on. We gotta shout out the earrings, cause you know I'm a girl with the earrings. But anywho, my name is Mikara Reid. I definitely need to say this more often, but if y'all on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram, Mikara Reid, MIKARAREID. Gotta be more active. I did delete it before, like last year, and yeah, around this time. Yeah, June. Yeah, definitely around this time. And then I came back at the end of I deleted it and I came back like 6 months later. But yeah, definitely follow me on Instagram. I gotta be more active, especially since I'm in the forefront of a lot of things. So definitely follow me on Instagram, Mikara Reid, and y'all know I'm definitely more active on YouTube. Okay, I'm in these YouTube screens. All right, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment, thumbs up, and let me know if y'all want a nice little topic. Okay, for the girls. Bye.